Hi team, a little surprise today. We decided to do a Facebook Live to kind of help supplement one of my blog posts on some of the equipment that I use here in my clinic to help with treating eye movement problems. So I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm going to flip the camera around and show you some things. So first, this is called a Marsden ball. And what we would do, we move the ball, and this is one of the ways that we work on tracking. They have to call out the letters. You can see there's small letters on there. There you go. And we might move this in the near far axis as well as a way to work on convergence and divergence. This is my favorite thing in the whole clinic. This is a balance board. And we do a lot of stuff on the balance board, as much as we can possibly do, to keep to stimulate that vestibular system while we're working on that. Some of the small things we talk about, an occluder. This costs you a couple of bucks, and this is a great fixation stick that Bernell sells. It's got the sticks there. It's got the red, white, and green dots to help check for suppression. On the other side, it has some little interesting characters that your kiddos might be a little more apt to follow while they're looking at it than if they're just staring at a dot or something. So this is called a Worth 4 dot. There's the red-green glasses. And there's the Worth 4 dot there. So you have the kiddos put on the glasses, and it's a way we check for suppression or double vision. This right here, so this is called a heart chart. And there's one at a distance. This is about, in my clinic, this is about 8 feet. And there's one far. And there's one we use up close. So what we do then is, this is a way to work on accommodation, where we cover one eye. And we have the child's going to read the top line at the distance, the second line up close, and we go back and forth, near and far, with each eye. When they start getting good at that, we start doing that with one eye at a time. So that's some of the ways, some of the basic things that we use here. Over here, some more optometry specific things. These are called lens flippers, and these are designed to help stimulate and exercise accommodation, and help relax accommodation as well. A set of prisms, which we talk about the use of those in my class. And here's my favorite, Circle X and Square Traneglyph. Some more tools that we use. This is called an aperture arm, and this works on a skill called free space focusing. And this is a skill that helps really exercise the brain's natural urge to fuse those two images together. And that is there in the background. This is called the Sanet Vision Integrator. It comes with a Wii balance board. You can see down there at the bottom. And the same software is used on the is the basis for the Bioness integrated therapy system. So it does some cool stuff we talk about in my class. You can learn all about these tools and how to use these in my class, now sponsored by PESI. You can go to PESI.com. And it's called Assessing and Treating the Visual System of Children and Adolescents. You can search for that. We're going to be in, let's see, first we're going to be in Wichita, Kansas. We're going to be in Overland Park. And then we're going to be in St. Louis coming up soon. So we will see you guys out on the road. Thanks.